Here are the 5 money mistakes I made in my 20s that you can avoid. First, not investing in a Roth IRA sooner. A Roth IRA is a retirement account that has incredible tax benefits. The money grows tax-free, and you can take the money out tax-free in retirement. For example, if I had put $5,000 a year in my Roth IRA in my 20s, that would be worth over $1.6 million at my retirement. Waiting until my 30s, that same amount will only be worth $638,000. In other words, delaying 10 years cost me $1 million. Number 2, not having an emergency fund. An emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of expenses in case there's any type of unexpected expense. A great place to store this money is a high-yield savings account because you get quick access and earn 4 to 5% of interest. In my 20s, I did not have this emergency fund and I was living with someone and it was a bad situation. It was not healthy for me and I knew I needed to leave, but I didn't have the money saved to put down a deposit on a new place. So I stayed in that bad situation 3 months longer than I had to save up the money. Next, not having a budget. In my 20s, I had no budgeting in place. I'm an athlete, so I really understand the importance of setting goals and working a plan. However, in my 20s, I really didn't think about applying that same approach to my finances, nor did I have a coach to walk me through how to do that with my finances. And in my family, finances were always a sensitive subject. I heard a lot of messages around things like, this is too expensive and we can't afford that. So in my 20s, I was not responsible with my money. I saw budgeting as being restrictive like my upbringing. I worked hard and I had some savings, but I also saw spending my money as this rebellious act, and I traveled a lot. It wasn't until I hired my first business coach that I was able to make the connection between a budget and success. And this coach helped me see how a budget, like a meal plan, could help me reach my goals faster and give me more freedom. Today, as a business owner, I have a clear budget for my business, which is so helpful in making hiring decisions, investment decisions, marketing decisions. I also have a personal budget, so as a family, we can reach our goals together. Next, lifestyle creep. Not having a budget also allowed lifestyle creep to set in, which means the more I made, the more I spent. What I should have done is invested that extra money instead of just increasing my lifestyle expenses. Next, in my 20s, I spent money on depreciating assets instead of investing in assets that appreciated. I spent my money on a new car and lots of travel when I should have invested in real estate and then used the cash I earned from that real estate to spend money on travel. Let me know in the comments any money mistakes you made and what you learned from them.